Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A major advancement in the recreational vehicle sector, the 2026 Nissan Motorhome with super sweet promises an enhanced mobile living experience by combining Nissan's engineering expertise with an unparalleled degree of interior luxury and space. By appealing to affluent tourists who value comfort, technology, and a sophisticated appearance, this car seeks to reinvent the idea of a home on wheels. It is anticipated that the appearance of the 2026 Nissan Motorhome with Super Suite would harmoniously combine strong utility and aerodynamic efficiency. The car is anticipated to have a streamlined profile to reduce wind resistance and improve fuel economy, all the while maintaining Nissan's modern design language. Sleek and contemporary design will be enhanced by integrated elements including flush-mounted windows, hidden service ports, and advanced lighting systems. Longevity and ideal climate management in the living area will be guaranteed by sturdy building materials and cutting-edge insulation. The Super Suite, a roomy and well-designed interior that puts residential-style comfort first, is this motorhome's distinguishing feature. In order to optimize living space, this suite is intended to include creative spatial arrangements, maybe making use of slide-out portions and adjustable furniture. The surfaces will be embellished with premium materials, such as premium leathers, sustainable hardwoods, and custom fabrics, resulting in a subtle elegance. With its upscale equipment, built-in storage, and generous countertop space made of long-lasting and visually beautiful materials, the Super Suite's culinary area is anticipated to be a tribute to contemporary ease. With features like a king-size bed, built-in entertainment systems, and ample wardrobe space, the sleeping quarters will probably provide a peaceful haven. With a focus on spa-like elegance, the restroom facilities will be constructed with high-end fixtures, plenty of lighting, and superior finishes. A key component of the 2026 Nissan Motorhome with Super Suite will be technological integration. It is expected that sophisticated smart home systems with user-friendly interfaces would regulate lighting, climate, entertainment, and security functions. Integrated navigation systems, satellite communication capabilities, and high-speed internet connectivity will guarantee smooth connectivity and convenient travel. By expanding on Nissan's current safety package, driver assistance technology will increase road safety and convenience. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome with Super Suite's powertrain is anticipated to take use of Nissan's developments in efficient engine technology, possibly adding hybrid or all-electric options to accommodate changing environmental regulations. Despite the vehicle's size, a responsive steering system and a well-designed suspension system will make for a comfortable and seamless driving experience. In summary, the 2026 Nissan Motorhome with Super Suite is a daring move toward opulent mobile life. This car is set to provide a distinctive and unmatched travel experience for individuals who want the conveniences of a luxury home on the road by skillfully fusing Nissan's engineering know-how with an incredibly roomy and lavishly furnished interior.